Okay, here are two cool covers and the fascia plates ready to go on our Aga, which is just there with the lids up. One point to note is that this surface will face the hob cover, whereas this surface, we can see the continuous binding there, this surface will face the actual hot plate itself. Okay, so we need to turn that over. Okay, so that surface now is going to mate up facing the hob cover. So we'll put the first one on. Note the D shape as well at one end. That D shape, that straight edge, goes closest to the hinge of the Aga cover. Okay, so simply offer it up to the cover, put the first two magnetic flaps down, and then adjust it at the bottom. Now it's important whilst doing this to adjust the lengths of them so that it is held taut in all directions and that it is central, like that one is, on the actual hob cover. We'll do the second one now then, please. Okay, so we're offering it up there. We can see that the binding is non-continuous. That's the surface we're going to offer up to the cover. You can see the binder there all the way around. We have the binder. Okay, now you can gently lower the lids. At this point you find if you've got them positioned right, it should go down. Okay, also we can see the flaps, if they're a little bit high at the front, there may have to be a bit of just jiggling it down a little bit, and we can put the fascia trims on those which are magnetic. They just clip on. Those are those. The website address is on the inside, you can see. Of those, and there we are. It is very simple. Now we can see with that one, just going to zoom in on that one. That one is a little bit proud at the top there because the flap is a little bit high. The flap needs to just be positioned down a little bit. Very magnetic, those flaps. So a little bit of jiggling and that should be okay. And there we are. If you lift both the lids up, we can see they're correctly fitted. And you should enjoy years of economical use. A very nice clean finish there compared to the aluminium hobs themselves. Okay, thank you very much. To just lower them.